purpose, and function. Their definitions highlight different aspects: command, rules, customs, social functions, and morality. John Austin, Positivist School. Definition: law is the command of the sovereign backed by sanctions. Key points: law is the will of the sovereign imposed on subjects. Law is enforced through physical force or threat of punishment. Separation between law and morality. Criticism: fails to explain constitutional law, customary law, and international law. Jeremy Bentham, Utilitarian School. Definition: law is an assemblage of signs declaring the sovereign's will, backed by sanctions or rewards. Key points: law aims for the greatest happiness of the greatest number. Advocated codification of laws for clarity and certainty. Criticism: overemphasis on utility can lead to disregard for individual rights. H. L. A. Hart, Modern Positivist. Definition: law is a system of rules including primary and secondary rules. Key points: primary rules impose duties and obligations. Secondary rules, rules of recognition, change, and adjudication. Rule of recognition identifies what counts as valid law. Criticism: the distinction between primary and secondary rules can blur in practice. Savigny, Historical School. Definition: law is a product of the Volksgeist, the spirit of the people. Key points: law evolves organically from customs, traditions, and common consciousness. Legislation should reflect mature customs. Criticism: can preserve outdated customs and resist necessary reform. Sir Henry Manet, Historical Evolutionary School. Definition: law reflects society's progression from status to contract. Key points: ancient society governed by status, family, caste. Modern society governed by voluntary agreements, contract. Criticism: oversimplifies complex social transitions. Roscoe Pound, Sociological School. Definition: law is a tool of social engineering to balance competing interests. Key points: law harmonizes individual, public, and social interests. Law aims to satisfy as many social wants with minimal friction. Criticism: determining the priority of interests can be subjective. Eugen Ehrlich, Sociological School. Definition: law consists of the living law, norms actually governing daily life. Key points: law originates in social practices and institutions. Codes formalize only a small part of the living law. Criticism: hard to identify and formalize living law systematically. L. L. Fuller, Natural Law. Definition: law is the enterprise of subjecting human conduct to governance by rules satisfying inner morality. Key points: principles, clarity, generality, consistency, publicity, stability, possibility of compliance. Law and morality are interconnected. Criticism: focuses on procedural morality, not substantive moral content. Conclusion: different thinkers emphasize diverse aspects of law.